Apples. Red apples growing on trees in an orchard. Of course, apples aren't the only fruits that grow on trees. Farmers raise many different kinds of tree fruits, like pears, plums, peaches, and oranges. Some tree fruits, like bananas, are not common in the United States. Most bananas are grown in Central and South America. Dates and figs are important tree fruits in the Middle East. Some of the fruit we eat grows on vines, like grapes and watermelons. Some fruits grow on bushes, like blueberries. And raspberries. Berry fruits make good jams and jellies. But what is a fruit? Well, to a plant scientist, a fruit is the part of a plant that contains the seeds. This is the seed of a pear. The pear fruit first was a pear blossom, a flower. Fruits come from flowers. These flowers will change into peaches. These blossoms will change into cherries. Some fruits develop from flowers that are very tiny. These flowers will change into grapes. And this flower will change into a strawberry. Let's see how a flower becomes a fruit. We'll begin with blossoms on an apple tree. What we'll see in the next few seconds actually takes many weeks to happen. After a fruit flower has bloomed, it begins to change. When the petals fall off, you can see that a small fruit is forming. Many fruits are hard and green at first. As the fruit ripens, it usually gets larger. Many fruits also get softer, juicier, and sweeter, and change color, like this apple. All this takes many weeks to happen. Most of the fruits that form from flowers contain seeds. Some fruits, like pomegranates, have hundreds of seeds. Other fruits, like peaches, have only one seed, or pit. There are some kinds of specially developed fruits that don't have any seeds at all, like this seedless orange. After the fruit is harvested, it may be put into boxes and sent to a marketplace. Many different kinds of fruit come here. Some fruits are very large. Watermelons, grapefruits, and some fruits are small. Cherries, grapes, Some fruits are smooth, plums, and some are rough, cantaloupe. The market is a busy place. Fruit comes in and fruit goes out. The fruit that comes into markets like this one is shipped to stores and supermarkets. Have you ever walked through the fruit section in a store? You can notice all the different colors and sizes and shapes of fruits. Fresh fruit is fun to eat, but it's not the only kind of fruit you find in a store. Sometimes fruit is frozen, so that it'll keep for a long time. Freezing is one of several ways of preserving fruits to keep them from spoiling. But whether fruits are preserved or fresh, we eat them not only because they taste good, but because they're good for us. Fruits give us energy because of the sugar they contain. Fruits help our bodies grow well and work well because of the vitamins they contain. And so we eat fruits because they're good to eat and good for us, too. Another way to keep fruit from spoiling is by putting it into cans. The cherries in this pie were preserved in a can. And so we eat fruits in many ways because they're good to eat and good for us, too. Sometimes, instead of fruit, fruit juices are preserved in cans, like orange juice. Apple juice. And grape juice. And so we drink fruit juices because they're good for us. Some of the fruits we eat are dried to preserve them. Raisins are dried grapes. We eat other dried fruits. Prunes are dried plums. And so we eat fruits because they're good to eat and good for us, too.